can't hear you.
Loud. Is it okay to speak loud?
You can talk as loud as I'm talking.
What I wanted to know is if brownies have eggs in them, because I'm highly allergic to eggs.
Was I talking
Is
loud?
that too loud? I can't recall.
Okay.
Okay.
I can't give you any advice on what to cook.
Eggs?
I can't.
No, eggs. Diabetes. Or sugar.
Well, eggs don't have sugar, do they?
Am I gonna die?
I can't help you, sir. I really can't help you, and I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, am I for the hammer meal? Is that a hammer meal company happening?
No.
Okay. I'm not sure what they put it right jet.
Yeah, that's me right there in the white truck.
Okay, can I just show you right there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that you next door to me?
Huh?
Is that you in the Hummer?
No, right jet. Wait here. You see her having a call up in the medicine? About here, but could have battled with a battle in it.
What's that?
This can I'm on my hand, I got the foot to zip it.
Okay.
They put out kind of my eye with shit, but she can't want to put up on the library because the hammer meal.
Okay.
You know anything about it?
A little bit.
Okay, because I was trying to get the flap soup, kill banana tent. I can't get it on the banana chat.
Are you from Louisiana?
No, I'm knock it off! I'm from right here, when I can't want, because I had one to be on my ripple zipper thingy. Yeah, well, they're proud to go to me, my mama.
Okay.
To my mama, yeah.
All right.
Yeah, okay. I just wondered, because he's right there with the shirt with the brand on, he came with the papers. I didn't know if he was coming on the hand with the paper to can it. Come on, wait.
I got a heavy paper.
Yeah, the same thing my Baba did, because he had a coat on 4-5. Excuse me, I'm all dibbled up.
Okay.
Keep on, but kid, I'm on now and again. I couldn't do it because I got a job, because I had to work. So I was thinking, sad.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't want to hold you up and you ain't call what you about to do, but all right. Hey,
all right, man.
Yeah, you want to call him.
Yeah, peace out.
Look at this guy here. He driving the truck, the ball put his hip on. He ride the truck to find a crash ball. He did it every Saturday. I came here with my mama all the time. When the cat get about because we didn't want to win in Louisiana. They didn't have with the alligators, and that's what they had because she got pretty bit off, have chopped but a chunk of my tongue. Wow. That's what happened. Man in the midst. You got us market. Man in the midst. Man on the hot.
I'm sorry, I'm
on the phone. Check. Mary in the midst. Thank God. Thank God I said it. Hi, Mom. I'm just recording this because I'm probably about to be robbed by a sweet lady in pink.
I know.
She's very aggressive with me. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Help. Send someone. Send Samuel L. Jackson. He's my hero. I love you.
Oh my gosh, you scared the crap out of me. Hi.
Oh, you're sorry. Is this Wrangler?
Yes.
Is it like Wrangler from Wrangler? Because you get them on the sandwiches?
Hmm?
You gotta get them on the sandwiches, or you could just buy them.
You could just
Can
buy
you just buy them?
Yeah.
You will?
Yeah.
How many do you need? Do you need 3 or 4? What size are you? Extra, medium? Have you seen Carlos?
Carlos?
I was looking for Carlos.
Oh, I haven't.
Okay, sorry. I'm sorry.
You're fine.
Shh, we're in a library. You gotta be quiet. I've been smoking for 4 years.
Okay.
This is gonna be any down on my throat.
Is it gonna be hard on your throat? I'm not entirely sure. I've never used these. Cece, have you used these? Yeah. Are they harsh? They are harsh.
Yeah, call the doctors on me for smoking. My entire man is gonna be a little bit smoothing.
So that's gonna be this. So this is gonna be more like a natural leaf. It's gonna be a palm leaf, so it wouldn't be as harsh.
Would have me speaking. Oh my goodness. Cause I got a nice pretty voice now. I don't want to lose it.
I'm not entirely sure how that would do on your throat.
Should I just stop smoking altogether? Is it better than using vape pen?
I wouldn't necessarily say it's better.
Okay. Darren talk. I don't think I'll take any of them.
Okay.
I think I'll just go and drink a smoothie. Right? My voice used to sound like yours last year.
Right.
I can't even talk anymore.
Right.
Okay. I'm gonna put it back.
Okay.
Thank you for your help.
Oh, you're welcome.
I always hate asking questions, don't understand me.
Right.
Okay.
You don't know how much there?
Wow.
Could you point to what you need for me?
You
want something like it?
say, huh?
Your size? I'm not sure what you mean.
Okay, I just tell you, make it back in the glass for children.
I'm not sure what you need, man. I'm sorry.
Okay, hey, you, man, you.
This one's also mine.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Thank you.
Yeah, I know. With this.
Tomorrow?
Today.
Good. Very good. Very good. I like it. Good. Good. See this?
I know.
Here, it's a secret. Red. Sí.
Yeah.
¿Habla español?
Sí.
Sí. Mira. Lo que estoy diciendo. ¡Está! ¡Ay, muy bien hecho, pero no fue bueno porque está rojo! ¿Qué vamos a hacer?
I don't know. Pizza.
Mañana.
Today.
Ok. Gracias. Very good.